A lot of companies these days, they're coming out with new premium webcams, and it's tough to really find out which is the best one because on all of their websites, they make it look like their camera's the best one. And as a consumer, it gets really confusing. So I just went ahead and I bought two of the best ones to figure out which one is actually the best one. So today we're going to be comparing the Elgato Facecam, this bad boy right here. A lot of streamers use this. A lot of streamers swear by it. So we're going to see how it holds up against the Logitech Brio 4K webcam. Now, I did try this in 4K. For some reason, it does not look as good as it does in 1080p at 60 FPS, probably because of the 60 FPS. So, we're going to compare these two cameras. We're going to see which one's the best. You might have a different opinion than me. I have gone through the settings and tried to make myself as beautiful as possible in both of the webcams. Obviously, they're two very different lenses. We're going to see which one is better, basically. I'm going to be switching between the two webcams on the screen. I'm not going to tell you which webcam is which until later in the video when we have both webcams up next to each other. And then we're going to do the big reveal on which webcam is which webcam. But until that point, I'm just going to leave you guessing because I'm a jerk. Deal with it. First thing we want to notice is the unboxing experience. This box looks very fancy. You open it up, boom, webcam's right there. It comes with this little, you put it over the NSA can't spy on you, I guess. I threw it, didn't I? Don't look at my butt. Saw you looking. Pretty standard packaging. One thing that was really cool about the Logitech Brio, boom, carrying packet. I don't even know. I guess it's like a little bag you can put your camera in, and there's like a little spot for the cord as well. That was a nice touch. Elgato Facecam did not have that. So now on to the cool stuff. We've unboxed both of our cameras. We have them set up. Just for context, for lighting, this room is actually pretty dark. Not like pitch black, but you know, if you were thinking about taking a nap, this is the lighting that you would have in the room. But I do have the Logitech Litra Glow for creators. Since I am a creator, I thought it would be a good match. And honestly, it was only like $70 or something, so I figured why not? And it's all I need. I don't need the any more expensive key lights than this. I think this is perfect. This is exactly what I need. So don't go around spending $500 on your lighting when you can just get one of these for like $70. So now that we got the two webcams side by side, I want you to head down to the comments, let me know which one you prefer, and then we will reveal which webcam is which. A lot of YouTubers would leave this till the end of the video to get you to watch the whole thing, but I'm not a jerk. That's why you should subscribe to me and not them. Subscribe to them too if you want. I mean, I don't really care. Do whatever you like. The big reveal on which webcam is which. 3, 2, 1. Did you get the answer right? I know the Elgato Facecam is very, very popular, but this Logitech Brio is holding up pretty friggin' well. Oh my goodness. And you know what the best part is? Let's take a look at these prices. Let's see what we paid for these bad boys. So in Canadian Monopoly money, the Logitech Brio, $250 after tax. So that's like $200 USD. And then if we look at the Elgato Facecam, it is also $248, $2 cheaper. Not very much of a difference, is there? So we'll look at the Logitech software first. We have the Logitech camera working right now, and we will, boom, open up G-Hub. So G-Hub doesn't want to open for us. I'll keep trying for a little bit, and I'll touch base with you soon. Another thing that I should also mention, the Facecam, Elgato Facecam. I've been messing around with it for about 2 hours, and it's already frozen 5 times. Literally, it's frozen 5 times on me. Just while I was making this video, it froze on me earlier. I've been using the Logitech Brio probably for 3 days, and I have had 0 problems with it freezing. In general, I've had 0 problems with the camera. So that's definitely a plus for Logitech. Works well, except for the software. Software sucks. Build quality of the webcams. Let's take a look at this bad boy, the Elgato Facecam first. So it does come with a USB cord. It's very, very short. I don't know if you can hear that, but it is also made out of a cheap plastic. Oh, but what is nice, I almost lost my lighting. What is nice is this here. It's fully rotational, omnidirectional. Excellent. Very, very smart. Very smart. Now let's take a look at the Logitech build quality of their webcam. So we'll snag this real quick. Ooh, it is spicy. The first thing I noticed, Logitech webcam, very, very hot. So Logitech webcam, premium webcam. The build is, it feels like it's metal or like aluminum. Very, very solid feeling. The cord on the Logitech webcam, very long, very, very long. Thank you, Logitech. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Let me know which webcam you preferred. Yeah. Peace out.